Hey, so this is the best art print company that you need to try in 2026. I tried 3 different companies and let me tell you, I really only liked one of them. So I'm gonna give you the inside details right now. Okay, so let's start with my least favorite. So these were from the company called Gelato. And this is no shade to any companies because I think there's a time and a place for all of these. But the reason that Gelato is my least favorite is because of the colors in the paper. It's kind of like cardstock, but a little bit thinner type of paper. It's very cheap. It's good if you want like mass-produced, affordable prints, say at an art fair or something, but they don't have any texture and it just kind of feels like a thick printer paper or something. Like it's not that special feeling. But my biggest complaint with Gelato is the colors. These colors are very washed out, very chalky. They feel a bit dull and lifeless, and they don't really look like my painting. And the contrast is weird. So I did try 2 different types of paper, and one of them was a little bit better with the contrast, but I would still say both are quite dull and washed out. They're just really lacking in saturation and vibrancy, and I was really disappointed. So I would definitely not really feel comfortable selling these unless I just wanted to sell them at a really low price, like I said. Overall, these left a lot to be desired. Okay, so let's talk about number 2, the runner-up out of the 3. This was my second favorite, and this was Printful. So Printful is a really cool company. They have a very smooth integration with Etsy and Shopify and things like that for on-demand printing. So I used them for a long time on my Etsy store and people were really happy with the quality. They look beautiful. The colors especially, that's their specialty, I would say. The colors are very, very vibrant. They look just like the painting, honestly like better than my painting. Like the colors are beautiful. The contrast is perfect. It's very accurate to the image that I uploaded. The reason that I'm not obsessed with Printful is just the paper. It's simple as that. They only have one option for the art prints. They have like canvas prints also, but just for regular prints, it's just this one paper. And it's pretty similar to the Gelato paper. It's thin, it doesn't feel super special, there's no texture, it's just like flat, matte, that kind of thing. But they're great if you just want affordable prints that you want to sell a lot of. Like I said, an art fair or online, just keep your prices a little bit lower. They don't feel like a super, fine art type of print necessarily, but they're pretty good. Yeah, so I'm really happy with these. I would use them again, but the reason that I wanted something else is I really wanted better paper. I wanted to feel the weight of the print in my hands and feel like this is a very special item and that people are really getting their money's worth and it's as similar to the painting as possible. And paintings have a lot of texture. That's why I love painting, the texture. So if I can't feel anything, it's just kind of feels like I could print this off at home. So that takes us to the third and final, my favorite art print company for 2026, FinerWorks. FinerWorks is my #1 art print company for 2026 and I am obsessed with them. So FinerWorks' specialty is their paper, I would say. They have a million types of paper. It's incredible. And I've tried a few of them and they're all like really, really high quality. They're very thick and textured and, everything's archival and the colors are also incredible. I mean, truly, these feel super professional and just like a professional artist would sell these, right? So out of the papers, I really liked this one the best. This was the Canson Infinity Rag Aquarelle, something like that. I love the Canson Infinity Rag paper. It is the best and also the colors are the best that I've tried. Compared to, this is the premium G-Clay paper from FinerWorks. A tad bit cheaper than the Infinity Rag and the colors are a bit darker and like more yellow. So I wasn't super happy with the colors on this one. Like you can't really tell as much maybe on camera, but in person, I could tell a big difference between this and the Canson Infinity Rag. So I think it's worth it to get the Canson. It's like, I don't know, a little bit more expensive per print, but it's worth it. But the premium G-Clay is a good option. You may just wanna make sure your colors are a little bit lighter and like bluer or pinker because there is a yellowing, darkened effect. This is also the premium G clay, and I got this same print in the Canson rag, and it is so much better looking. It's, again, maybe something only I would notice, but I could see it with my eyes. So I also tried the William Turner paper, and it's really, really nice, but it's almost too textured for me. It feels like sandpaper, like it's very textured. So I didn't really like the feeling of it. I don't know, it's just a little bit too much. Like, yeah, and I tried different borders. Like you can do a 2-inch border, a 1/2-inch border, like whatever you want. I think the 1/2-inch is my favorite, so that's what I ended up going with for all my prints. But you can definitely get a thicker border if you want, or no border, as I did with this one. So yes, I am a FinerWorks fan. I'm sticking with them for a long time. I love all the options. I think for the price, it's worth it. They have a lot of sales too, like it's really cool. I think I have an affiliate link where maybe you can get 10% off. I'll put it in the description if so. But I highly recommend you try them for 2026 for your art prints. I just think it's so worth it if you want a high quality print that you feel good selling to people. I really, when I had the Printful prints, they're nice, but I just didn't feel like it was the best product that I could sell people. And I really want people to feel like they're getting their money's worth, and I have a good reputation as a print seller, right? But again, a time and a place for everything, depending on what your needs are. So definitely try Printful or FinerWorks. And if I'm wrong about Gelato and you love them, let me know. I mean, I want to hear your experience too. And if you have any other companies that you like, tell me so I can try them also. And if you want to check out my prints, I have so many brand new ones on my website, haleyhawkins.com. I'd love you to check them out and see all my new paintings. And thanks again for watching. I will see you soon. Have a great day.